Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. 1. Open your Instagram messages. 2. If you see a dotted circle on any chat, it means that the Vanish mode is turned on. 3. Open the chat that has Vanish mode on. Now, tap on the name of the user. 4. Tap on Privacy and Safety. 5. Now you will see a switch icon written with Vanish mode. 6. Turn it off and the Vanish mode will be disabled. 7. There is another way to turn the Vanish mode off. 8. Go to the chat and simply swipe up with your finger. 9. The Vanish mode will be turned off. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching our guide.